welcome to Snips Happen. Today I am here with a new video. I am trying something new that I seen at Sassy Southern Girl. Wait a minute. Back up. It's by Sassy Southern North Carolina Girl, NC. I will put her name on the screen because I messed this all up. But anywho, it's called Twinchie Tuesday. It was originally introduced by and created by Janet K, formerly Sunflower and Crafts. It's open to anyone. These are the neatest little things. They're this big. They're this big, right? They're this big, right? They're 2x2s. They have to be square, and anything goes, right? Anything goes. Well, I didn't have anything that was 2x2. And I've been dabbling in making little digital type things. So I made this 4-page little digital thing for myself that has 2x2 squares on it that I can play with to make these. And it has my bears, and I have some hearts and some labels. And then over here I have some torn pages and that kind of stuff. And you know, all the kind of stuff that I'd like to work with to make these. And I'm going to make some with you today for my first Twinchie Tuesday that I'm going to be posting. And if you like this, let me know, because I could, kind of drop it in my Ko-Fi if you guys like it. So let me know if you like it. If you do, I will drop it down there and you guys can have a play with it too. I did cut some of the pieces out so that I have them to work with. They're squares, they're 2x2s, and I did cut some of my bears out of it because I wanted some of my bears to work with. And how have you all been? I have been okay. I've been hiding. Yes, I know. I have not made a video in forever and a day. These do go wicked quick. Like, they do go really, really quick. So you could make umpteen of these in the matter of minutes. And then you're like, well, what do you use them for? Well, you can use them for anything. You can put them on a page. You can make paper clips out of them. You can make clusters. Like, you're making mini clusters, actually, what they're in all actuality, that's what they are, is mini clusters. And you can put paper clips on them. You could put them on a page. You can use them as decorative. You could use them as anything. Let's move in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing, because it felt like you were far away and I don't want you that far away. So yeah. So I'm going to tuck this little piece of music paper over here. And then I didn't cut very many pieces out because I didn't know how many pieces I would need. And I didn't want all the pieces like roaming around my office, because I'm trying to clean this office of mine up, because I have stuff everywhere. Like, at times I feel like it's coming to get me, and it's going to take me away to the funny farm, because there's that much of it. Yeah. That quote says perfectly imperfect. Why? Because I'm perfectly imperfect. Tarines perfectly imperfect. And the last time I checked, there was nobody on this planet that was perfect. But then again, people do feel like they're perfect, so there is that. But back to these little hootsy watsits here. These twinchies. I like that Twinchie. I like that one there. Does this one over here need some plaid? I think this one needs some plaid too. Let's put some plaid on that one. You can put as much as you like on them. You don't have to put a lot. You could put a little. I'm over here just putting whatever I feel my heart wants to put on them. I have 4 pages of stuff that I could be playing with them. But I'm just, out here living my best life, making them. These videos are never very long. All the videos that I've seen on the YouTube, they're not long at all. So yeah. Do I like them like that? What do we think? What do we think, girly? This one's very simple. This one here I made, it was very, very simple. Yeah. Do we want to pull out some ribbon and lace? Do we want to leave them simple? I really want to use this little tab up, so I might stick this little tab in right here when I glue it down, so it's there. I think that's how we're gonna leave her, because I really like that. Now I gotta go over here and get our glue. This one doesn't need to be glued because that one's already done. So we're gonna pull this one down here because this is the one we're working with, and we're going to glue the heart on first. The heart. Let's glue the heart on. There we go. And I don't know if you can have stuff hanging off the side, because I have been watching them and I haven't seen anybody hang anything off the sides of them. So we're gonna just cut it off because we don't want to break the rules the first time we're making them. No sir, we don't want to break the rules. No rule breaking here, not on this anyways. We want to follow the rules, follow them. Be good at following the rules. And I didn't even pull out ink. No, didn't pull out any ink. I was that's surprising too for me, because normally I have the old inker out, but no inker out here. Nope. And you're probably like, well, Snips, what have you been doing? You haven't even been making any videos. You haven't been posting no good stuff, nothing. Well, Snips has been participating in the Ink and Page Junk Journal July and doing those pages daily. And she's just been out here living her best life. Yeah, there's that one. Get the scissors before you stab yourself, Snips. Get the scissors. Get those scissors. And then I have been making projects. I just haven't been filming them. I just haven't had the oomph to turn the camera on and film. But I saw these and I'm like, yes, I need to share these with my friends. So is this something that you want to see me do every week, is make these? Let me know in the comments, because if it is something that you want to see me make different things for, like using different kits and things like that, let me know in the comments. Again, in the comments, if you would like to have my mini bear collection, you know, that I made for this so that I could make this video, because I did not have any mini stuff that I could use. Let me know and I will drop that over on the coffee page, and you can go over and grab yourself it, and you could play too with the minis. And then he just holded a little note. Do we want to put him on this side? Nope, I like him on this side better. I sure do. Yeah, you're just sitting here watching me glue and ramble, but again, you can participate in this. It's hosted by Sassy Southern NC Girl. Hey, Tara, you got it right that time. Proud of you, girl. Proud of you. It's a mouthful, but you got it right. I'm proud of you. Next month, I'm going to be participating in the Scrapbooking with Me second virtual retreat, and we're going to be we're building my favorite hidden spine. Yeah, we're building that. So I'm pretty excited about that. I could build one of those with my eyes closed though, but I'm excited about that. So keep your eyes peeled for that. If you need to, I'll let you borrow my spectacles. You can use my spectacles, so you can catch a Rooney that. Yep. Oh yeah, I have another special thing coming to my channel next month too. I'm not sure if I can announce that yet, so just keep a watch out for that, for the announcement of that. When I can announce that, I will announce that. But I have something special coming next month for that, so I will let you know when I can let you know. So yeah, very vague, but I can let you know when I can let you know. We're doing tweenies, and I am very vague at when I can let you know when I can let you know. Did you like that one? I've lost my mind. Yes, I've lost my mind. I think it's all the rain we've been getting here. It might be all the it might be the fact that I had to inhale the Canadian smog. Yeah, that stuff too. Could be that. Could be that. Could be that. Could be that. Who knows? Who knows these days? But anyways, after we glue this on, these will be my 3 for the week. If so, again, these are tweenies, and these are made on Tuesdays. So it's Twinchie Tuesdays, hashtag Twinchie Tuesdays. If you like this video, please make sure you give me some love. And you know how to do all that, you know, with all them fancy buttons down there. You know how to do all that, right? So, if that's the case, and you like these, make sure you give me some love, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.